It's my first day again here in Sri Lanka, and I'm so overwhelmed with all the fruits around. And we are preparing today for the New Year. It's my first time to celebrate the Sinhala New Year here, and we're planning to cook some sweets, food, and celebrate this special occasion. It's beautiful.
මේක මම නිකන් පිටි වලින් බලන්න ගෙනයි.
දැන් හදන්න.
දැන් හදනවද දැන්? මේ කිතුල් පැණි තිබ්බනම් රසයි.
So this is on Google.
කිතුල් පැණි.
We fry this one, and then later on.
ආයි හදමු ගෙනද. මම මේ බලන්න හදන්නේ.
This is the sugar. This is the treacle.
What's starting from?
So we cut already the whole one big jackfruit, and then we cutting it again. So this is the jackfruit we're making it the jackfruit curry. We're getting ready for the New Year. Just getting it this. Hi. So this is will be the finished product.
Okay pa. Eka, itiran ba na din diyan? Eka. Bake that.
First you will have to remove the gum. Like this.
Why cannot be one by one?
Mega. Mega.
Oh my god, it's nice to eat but it's difficult to make. Like this, okay? I'm trying to cut it, it's very sharp. Oh, amazing. Ang sama na yan. Correct, no? Then, all this done? I did it. See? Oh, it's look like easy to make, but quite difficult.
Oh my god.
Cut now me this one. Depende tapi natin.
Success.
Don't cut.
There's more here, can take up now.
So this part you can make the fried dot with the sweet
Still
and
making?
seed we can make different, and also we can make it together.
This is the one we make for curry, for the vegetables.
It's not vegetable.
Curry na vegetable dish na.
Okay, this.
Dish, it's a dish. This is we make dish. Be careful. And there is a certain time to boil the coconut milk. This one is the sign of prosperous, happiness, and wealth to the family. We just wait until the milk overflow to the pot. So it's a nekat time already. This is the specific time where all the Sri Lankan eating all together. We light up the light in the middle of the table, and we prepare all the sweets that we have cooked. So we have the mong kiao, and we also have the cookies. This mom's specialty, so mom make this one. And we also have the undu walalu. And we have some cakes, and we also have some doodle. This one is one of my favorite.
Amit?
Go in.
Enggak.
කිසිම කරදරයක් නැති වාසනාවන්ත අවුරුද්දක් වේවා නිදුක් නිරෝගී අවුරුද්දක් වේවා සියලු සැප සම්පත් ලැබේවා.
Wow.
Happy New Year!
මේකත් එක බිඳුම අප්පා.
Aki is not scared.
මේ යා නම් කරගෙන නැහැ. බය නෑ බලන්න.
Excuse me, no food or drink, no feet on seats, and that cat needs to be on your lap.
Just okay, mate.
What? You cheeky little... Oh, hang on. Show me your ticket.
අප්පච්චි මේ බෑ නාංගි කිව්වේ.
This looks fine.